You've probably already seen dozens of videos talking about the so called gelatin trick, but most of them just repeat the same phrases without showing anything new. I was curious too, until I discovered the original version, the one people are actually trying in a simple and natural way, and that fits easily into a daily routine. It all started when I felt like my daily rhythm and energy were a bit out of balance. I used to wake up feeling weighed down and sluggish. That's when a friend showed me this different gelatin ritual, which went viral precisely because it's light, accessible, and easy to do at home. After a few days of including it in my routine, I noticed I was waking up with more energy and feeling lighter and more at ease in the mornings. And the most interesting part is that many people, including well known figures in the wellness space, quietly follow the same ritual because they say it makes their routine feel more balanced without anything extreme. This method became so popular that the original video has already reached millions of views. In it, the creator explains step by step how to prepare it, the best time to do it, and 4 simple fridge ingredients that complement the ritual. You can watch the full explanation through the link in the description or in the first pinned comment. The video is still available, and it's worth watching and saving because it shows every detail in a very practical and easy way.